Hello there, this is my final project Capstone for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript course. It's an eye screening tool of three pediatric eye conditions such as strabismus, ptosis and amblyopia. This is a supportive eye screening and assessment tool aimed for parents and clinicians to be able to identify potential warning signs that can affect children's vision development, as early intervention is extremely important. That application was developed by using Django and React frameworks. First, the user should create a secure personal profile at this page, as I have done this one in advance. Then let's log in. After logging in, the user can access the dashboard where a form to register new child is provided, as well as a form where the user can choose a child which has been already registered and upload an image for that child. And so once the image is uploaded, diagnose eyes button appears on the screen. After clicking that button, the system automatically analyzes the important eye features and patterns, and the diagnostic process usually takes, as you can see, a few seconds and provide fast results like a summary for the parents and clinicians, some additional measurements, as well as calculates risk of developing additional eye conditions, recommendations, whether it's an urgent or just the condition should be monitored, and the user also can download the report from the download report button. That was all from me. Thank you for watching.